besties, happy Vlogmas day 4. Are we on? I am tired today. I'm exhausted. I have a coffee. I haven't made breakfast yet. I did just get some groceries, so I'll show you right now what I picked up from Whole Foods. I probably should have laid this out a little bit better, but we're just gonna go through it really quickly so I can put it away. I did a really early delivery time so I could get this going, but I'll start over here. For holiday baking, I needed to pick up molasses. This is really cool. It is the Nutso gingerbread butter. So it has like cashews and all the different kinds of nuts. Almonds, coconut palm sugar, flax seeds, Brazil nuts. So all this different stuff. I thought that was cool. I did pick up some Rouse vodka sauce and some penne and these rustic cut tomatoes to make vodka pasta. And then we didn't have any spaghetti, so I just wanted to put some in our pantry. I got garlic bread in case we wanted it. I got this for Nick. It's just like peppermint bark, Talenti, ice cream. These are my favorite tortillas, so I got 2 of them. I'm probably gonna make this tonight or tomorrow, depending on when we wanna do it. But I make these things called taco roll-ups. I'll show you. It's literally just a taco, but I roll it up and then I crisp it up in a pan. So I got refried beans to put in the taco roll-ups. I got 2 of these for hosting. It's these little quiche trios. I get them every year. I think they're so delicious and they look really impressive on a little platter. And it's so easy to make. They're a little expensive. I think it was like $7 for 1 pack, but it feeds a lot of people, so honestly, it's worth it. I got a little flour to add to the pantry for holiday baking. A Caesar salad kit, a staple. I had to stock back up on cheese because we completely ran out of like shredded cheese and stuff like that. So I got 2 of the Mexican blend and 2 of the sharp cheddar. That way I can make taco roll-ups and anything else that I need to do. Parmesan cheese for the pasta vodka night. And I got these for Nick because he loves mozzarella pearls when I do like a pasta night. So I got those to put on top. And then I got the snacking cheese. So the mozzarella pearls as well. Nick loves this apple juice. So I got him a pack of it. I've really been craving that snack that you do where you have a celery stick and then you put peanut butter on it and then you put little raisins. So I got that so I could do that snack this week. I got carrot chips for us and the boys, broccoli to go with pasta night, and then this will just go in anything I cook. I picked up some nice chocolate so I could make some, like, it's for holiday baking. I want to make like Reese's Christmas trees, but just less sweet because Reese's are just obnoxiously sweet. So I wanted to use those and kind of make my own recipe, so we'll see. Stocked up on Go-Go Squeeze. You already know my favorite is apple cinnamon. Nick likes it too, so I got multiple. Whipped cream cheese when I eat bagels. I only picked up 1 Olipop. I was drinking them like every day at one point, but I've kind of slowed down a little bit. Almond milk, vanilla. Bread for Nicholas. These are my favorite ravioli. It's the mushroom ravioli from Kite Hill. They're so good. Every so often they go on sale at Whole Foods, so I just pick them up then because like I know they're always gonna go on sale at some point. Little pomegranate things. I meant to get a whole pomegranate, but they substituted it with this, so that's fine. I needed pecan halves so I can make our mini pecan pie soon. That's gonna be so fun. Avocados for taco night, and then we have some like fruit and other things over here. I got milk for my coffee. This is 2 things of ground chicken for taco night and vodka pasta night. Here's 2 pears. These are Honeycrisp apples. These are bananas. I like how unripe they are. That's perfect, so they will ripen slowly. This is a Granny Smith apple for me. Nick loves orange juice in the morning, so I get him the minis just so it's easier for him to like have a little bit and go. And then I stocked up on butter. I got 4 of the lactose-free butter. This is the butter that I use when I bake because it doesn't hurt my stomach. So I try to get this one, and it's really expensive to get this butter, but I feel better when I use this butter over regular lactose butter. So I got 4 packs of it because we literally used so much butter for Thanksgiving. So I was like, I'm gonna need this for holiday baking and toasting and all that. So 4 packs of butter for the holidays. And that is the Whole Foods order for this week. A good mix of like meals. And we already have a ton of snacks and stuff. Like you saw our Costco order. We have a ton of snacky stuff. So the only snacks I got were like fruit and veggies. This will last us a good while. I just brushed my teeth and now I'm just gonna spray this word that I can't say because I can never say that brand. I think it's Amor Vita, something like that. I'm just gonna spray a mist on my face and then walk out the door. Refreshing. I did like a full skincare last night, so sometimes in the morning when I'm just not feeling it, I just mist my face to give it some hydration, and then that's all I do. And then I also keep an SPF downstairs, so if I'm gonna go outside, I'll just pop on the SPF. Follow me for more tips and tricks. I need to make a new cup. I had this one yesterday and I used it overnight, so time to get a new cup of water. So I was thinking about what I wanted to get done today, and since I'm feeling tired, I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna play with some makeup and then we're gonna set up the Christmas tree today. I don't know if we're gonna get to ornaments because I haven't taken all my Christmas stuff out yet, but at least we'll get the Christmas tree set up and in the living room. I did want to try out some of the stuff from my haul from yesterday, just so we can start formulating some opinions together. I'm gonna try the RMS Beauty foundation, and I'm not gonna get my nails done until closer to Christmas. I decided, just because I'm doing so much in Vlogmas, like I'm doing a lot of deep cleaning and organizing and stuff like that, so my nails are just gonna break off. So I hope you don't mind that my nails look absolutely hideous. I mean, they're not hideous, they're just natural nails. My lips are a little dry right now, so I'm gonna put on some lip balm. So this is the RMS Beauty Re-Evolve Radiance Locking Primer. I love the packaging. This is so aesthetically pleasing. It feels so luxurious. That's what I look for when I'm trying out new products. Well, I mean, it doesn't have to have luxurious packaging, but it's a plus. I forgot how much I love this Merit Beauty brush for applying product. So I have no idea if this is my shade or not. I did the best I could online. So if my foundation looks wonky today, just ignore it. It looks wonky half the time. I got mine in the shade 11.5. Just so aesthetically pleasing and fun. It looks a little bit dark for me. Ooh. It looks orange. I'm gonna switch to the Beauty Blender. I can see this going really wrong. Oh no, the water from my sponge is lifting the foundation. We definitely recovered. So what I'm noticing is I think I got a shade too dark for me, unfortunately. It's a little bit, you know, orange, and it doesn't help that I have a very light neck. Like, my neck has always been so light for some reason. On the skin, it doesn't look bad. You definitely want to blend it out immediately. Don't go run and wet your sponge like I did, and also don't use a sopping wet sponge immediately on your face. Obviously I wrung it out, but it was still too much residual water. Definitely make sure you have your sponge prepped beforehand, but I think we did a good recovery. I'm gonna go in with some concealer now to conceal my eyes. I don't know if I said it, but I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer in the shade 2. That layered so well over the foundation. I'm so glad we are turning this around. I'm impressed. Probably not gonna set my foundation because it already kind of feels dry to the touch. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna use the NARS Translucent Crystal Light Reflecting Setting Powder. Try this puppy out. See how this works. Kind of dry. It is not creamy and delicate for your eye area. That really tugged my eye. I did not like that at all. I never spend too much time on my brows. I just kind of let them be free. Let's do our eyes really fast and go in with the rest of our face. I probably should have done eyes first, but I was excited. I'm just gonna literally pop on a crease color with bronzer. I'm just gonna use the LYS Beauty bronzer. And now I'm gonna go in with the 1111 palette from Roen. It's kind of the mauve one. I just want this all over my lid. I'm gonna kind of put my head to the side and hope any fallout goes to the side. Oh, that's so pretty and reflective. You can get that glittery chunky look if you just press it in, or you can get a more smooth look if you swipe your finger over your eye. I'm doing like a combination of both. Now I'm gonna go in with the darker mauve shade on the outer corner, which is super creamy. These are really, really nice. I'm impressed with the formula. So creamy and beautiful. I mean, it's kind of what you expect for the price you pay for them. I'm going in with the Disco shade. I think it's called the Disco Eye Universal, also from Roen. This one is a little bit more dry than the other formula. I'm wondering if that's why it was like a free gift for the purchase. Maybe it's like a little bit older. And voila, that is the eye look. For throughout Vlogmas, I've been wearing the Rare Beauty mascara and I've actually really liked it. I'm gonna do some minor bronzing with the bronzer from Liss. I'm actually kind of getting into it a little bit more. We're gonna go super light with the bronzing, so I'm using a super small brush. For blush, because we're using RMS Beauty Foundation, I'm gonna go in with our blushes, but I wanna mix Mai Tai and French Rose and see what kind of color we get. Beautiful, I'm a fan. I think I prefer them mixed together for my skin tone. And for highlight, this Vlogmas, I've been obsessed with the Bobbi Brown Quartz Glow. It's a super lit from within highlighter. It's not intense. I like it because it layers over the Ilia skin tint pretty well for me. And now to try the Roen lip balm with this look. And here's the final look. I'm not doing my hair. This is what my hair looked like when I woke up. I didn't even brush it. And that's how we're wearing it today. So what I really like about this lip balm is there's a very subtle, now I don't want to call it like a blue glitter because that's gonna like scare people, but it's the finest cool tone pearlescent micro shimmer glitter in here, and so it like whitens your teeth is what I'm trying to get at. I'm loving it. My lips look plumper. Honestly, I might end up putting my hair back because if we're doing the Christmas tree, it's gonna get in the way. All right, my beautiful, strong, gorgeous, smart, hardworking, fantastic besties, let's go put up the Christmas tree. I think I mentioned it before, but we got our tree from King of Christmas, and I must say this was the best unboxing experience I've ever had with a Christmas tree, which is good for the price we paid for this thing. We got a slim tree, 9-foot queen tree. I'll link it down below, the exact one that we got. We got it when they were having a Black Friday sale, which is amazing, but it was still an investment for our home. So each chunk of tree came with this wrap around it. We did get the flocked tree. It has a pretty substantial base, and I don't mind that it's on my couch right now because I need to clean the couch cover anyway. It came with these gloves, and I'm so happy it came with a Christmas tree holder. That is amazing. I was wondering how I was going to find one or buy one or whatever because they can get expensive. So I'm so happy it came with one. But now let's set this bad boy up. So I did order a tree collar off of, I think it was Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel. I'll link it down below also. I need to find where I ordered it from because like we've been shopping from so many different places, so I kind of forgot. It was the only one I could find with the width that would fit this ginormous base. This is huge. It's gonna take over the living room. I forgot how intense fluffing is, but I'll show you the difference. This side over here is fluffed so far, and that side is still in its little tumbles. And as it gets towards the end, it kind of breaks off into different branches. So like right here, this is like a separate branch from, well, it's not a separate branch, but this is a branch and this is a branch. That's an offshoot of this one stem. And the flocking is focused on the outside and not the inside, which is more like a realistic tree. So this is really nice so far. And minimal flocking is falling off. Normally when I have flocked trees, it's like a winter wonderland in here because the flocking goes everywhere. But it's honestly not too bad. So I'm really impressed with the flocking. It is going to take me so much time today to get this thing fluffed, but I'm glad I'm fluffing it on a different day than when I am decorating it. Okay, the whole bottom is fluffed and I plugged it in to make sure that the lights work, and they do work. It's looking so good. I kind of got my flow too. I realized it's better to fluff all the bottom layers first and then do the top one, so I'm just going to continue on. This is so insane. I have to show you what we figured out. So we were spending like 10 minutes trying to plug the bottom section into the section that I put on top of it, because normally that's what like you do with trees. All we had to do was insert the section and it turned on by itself because we couldn't find anything to plug into. It even came with a foot pedal for the ground, and all you do is slide it in. You don't have to plug anything in. That is so crazy. I've never had a tree like this before. Here's a snack to get me through editing. We can do it. We finished the tree. I need to show you guys. I wanted to wait until it was a little bit darker out to show you just so you can get the full effect. Also, this foundation that I'm wearing, the RMS one, it is so good. Probably my new favorite foundation. It wore amazing. I know I was inside, so the real wear test is when I wear it out in the world. So we will do one of those soon, but first impression, love it. So without any further ado, here is the tree from King of Christmas. Hi besties. We again have reached the end of the video. I love our new ending spot. It's kind of fun to always end here, but let's see what is in our advent calendar for the day. We are on day 4. Where's 4? Oh, right here. What did we get? These names are so hard for me. Solwasu Advanced First Care Activating Serum. Here's the ingredients. What does it say about it? An essential anti-aging booster facial serum, got advanced to 5th generation, featuring upgraded something activator that brings out youth potential of your skin and healthy and natural glow. I already have a serum, so I might give this away, but that's still a fun little item. I'm so excited to keep this advent calendar and like make it a personal one. I might like paint the cover or just like put like a little plaque over here. So, cause this is gorgeous. So I think what I might do is just like cover the Saks Fifth Avenue with like a little nameplate, and then I'll have like my own personal advent calendar when this is all over with, because advent calendars to make yourself are still expensive. So this is awesome. All right, besties, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. We had so much fun and we have completed Vlogmas Day 4. So I will see you all in Vlogmas Day 5. Bye.